Hi YouTube! So in this video, I'll be swatching my Jane Davenport Gods and Monsters ink, the latest release of the Creative Juice inks. These colors are muted and gradiated, meant for shading and such. As the theme says, the colors are named after Greek gods and monsters. I'll be doing the same thing I did with the other Creative Juice inks, transferring each color to these aqua brush markers. The paper I'm swatching on is the LevARTtation journal, a pun on levitation, in which the paper is light and smooth. Like airmail paper, onion skin paper, whatever you call it. I never heard of this kind of paper until now. Supposedly mediums react differently to this type of paper, so I'm just testing these inks in this journal to start off. As you can see, it can sometimes be a messy process, but these inks are totally worth it. No doubt you'll see me testing out different mediums in this journal in my upcoming videos, so yeah, the Gods and Monsters inks in all its glory.